Okay, kita cuba example 13 Okay, baca soalan dia. Okay. A loudspeaker radiates sound waves uniformly in all directions. At a distance of R sama dengan 3 meter, the sound intensity is 0.85 Wm square lah. Okay, and then dia nak the power of the loudspeaker. Okay, so kamu tahu formula I adalah P over A kan. And then we know that the sound spreads in sphere kan. In sphere macam tu. So we use the formula. We always use the formula I sama dengan P over 4 pi R square. Ni kamu kena hafal lah area of sphere tau. Okay, bukan area of circle. So our intensity is 0.85. Kita nak cari power 4 pi against R kamu kena dalam meter lah. Okay, power kamu akan dapat 96.1 watt. Okay, right, let's try to do B pula Okay, so dia nak sound intensity at a distance 6 meter from the source. So sekarang R kita sama dengan 6 meter. Okay, want to find that value of I. Okay, power of loudspeaker mesti constant kan. Loudspeaker tu power mesti constant dia punya power. Okay, so we can use the same power yang kita dapat tadi tu lah. Okay, so I sama dengan 96.1 4 pi 6 square. So you get your answer 0.212 watt M negative 2. Okay, right, let's try to do example 13. Okay, ni subtopik ni agak simple lah. Okay, right, a typical adult hair has a surface area of 2.1 darab kuasa negatif 3 meter square. Okay, the sound intensity during a normal conversation is about 3.2 times 10 to the power of negative 6 at the listener's ears. Okay, assume that the sound strikes the surface of the ear perpendicularly. How much power is intercepted by the ear? Okay, so dia bagi kita, dia kasih kita area sama dengan 2.1 darab kuasa negatif 3 meter square. Ni macam straightforward je kan. And then dia kasih intensity sama dengan 3.2 darab kuasa negatif 6 meter square. So nak cari power, so just masuk saja formula. Okay, very simple. Okay, you akan dapat power dia sama dengan 6.72 darab kuasa negatif 9 watt. Okay, right, let's try to do example 15 pula. Okay, right. Okay, example 15. Okay, a rocker in a firework display explodes high in the air. Okay, the sound spreads out uniformly in all directions. So dia bagi indicator area of sphere lah nak guna kat sini. Okay, so the intensity of sound is 2 darab kuasa negatif 6 at the distance of 120 meter from the explosion. Okay, find the distance from the source. So dia nak R kat sini kan. So dia nak R kat sini. Which intensity is 0.8 darab kuasa negatif 6. Okay, so sekarang ni we have intensity of the sound 2 darab kuasa negatif 6 meters watt meter square, di mana R dia adalah 120 meter. Okay, sekarang kita ada intensity 0.80 darab kuasa negatif 6, tapi tak tahu dia punya R berapa kan. Okay, disebabkan roket ni ada power yang sama, so we can find sorry, this is a rocket so we can find the power first lah, and then we use it here. So I is equals to 4 P equals to 4 pi R square. So masuk saja, cari dia punya power of the rocket tu lah. So 4 pi 120 square, so you get the power to be okay, what? And then just you go ahead and use here. Okay, so our intensity is this one. Okay, 4 pi R square. So kamu akan selesaikan lah, tekan kalkulator So your R should be 189.74 meter. Okay, let's try to do the last example, which is example 16. Okay, right. Okay, a small source emits sound waves with a power output of 80. So This is off tau, banyak typo pula. Okay, find the intensity 3 meter from the source. Okay, so okay, and then kita pun carilah. We have power 80 watt, and then we have to find intensity sama dengan P over 4 pi R square. So intensity lah, power 80, 4 pi 3 square. So your answer should be 0.70 Wm negative 2. Okay, very simple. Okay, how about B? Okay, at what distance, so dia nak berapa R, would the intensity be if the intensity is 1/4 as much as it was at R equals to 3. Okay, tadi berapa intensity waktu R sama dengan 3? Ni yang kita dapat tadi kan. So sekarang ni dia nak R berapa apabila intensity dia sekarang adalah 1/4 daripada intensity tadi kan. So kalau kamu buat intensity baru kita adalah 1/4 daripada intensity tadi, iaitu 1/4 darab dengan 0.707. So kamu akan dapat 0.177 watt M negative 2. Okay, so nak cari dia punya R lah. So we just use the formula. Okay, 4 pi R square. Okay, powers memang akan constant lah selalunya. Yang bezakan dia adalah dia punya R akan berbeza, and then I akan berbeza. Okay, power sebab power tu constant lah. Okay, daripada suatu alatan ataupun satu source lah. Okay, so I kita adalah 0.177. Power is 80 over 4 pi R square. Ini kamu tekanlah calculator, and then you will get the answer to be R equals to 6 meter. Okay, thank you.